Okay, so hello again. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert the illustration in the match card. So let's go. So here we have the match card from the previous video. And then we have to, in order to draw the illustration, if we remember, we have the illustration, this variable here. The illustration we generated using OpenAI delete tree. So we are going to define a function to insert the illustration. Search illustration. So for this function, we're going to pass the card and then illustration. All right. So illustration, we receive illustration dot convert RGB and then resize to 329 and 242. Okay, so here we are just making sure the illustration in the proper format, and here we are taking it and resizing it to the actual size of the place where the image should be in the card. So like before, I already tried some values and I know this is the proper values, but you can play with different values to see what happens. So here we're going to use card and then paste image. We are going to use the previous defined helper function, paste image, and then source image and the illustration target image card. So our source image is the illustration and the target is the card. And then we pass the coordinates of this corner here. So x equals 35 and y 68. So like before, I already know that these are the proper values. So here, since the image is rectangle, though it doesn't have any transparency that we need to place it here, we can set the mask to none. And then we return the card. Okay, so if we check the card and then we use color function with the card that were defined and the illustration that we created before, we have this. Nice. So our card, so this is what we use to insert the image in the card. So now that we have already the function to draw the images and then insert the image, the illustration in the card. So everything else we have still to do is to write text. The images we have to assemble together is just these ones, the menace and the illustration. The rest of the render we have to write things here and write things here and write things here and here. So the next step is to in the text. So here we have to render the text. Okay, so this video was short. In the next video, we are going to continue and I will show you how to render the match card texts so we can finally finish our card. So see you there. Bye bye.